Hi everyone, my name is Chitra and today's video is based on speed reading tricks. You can read as fast as you can talk. Now, this is what you need to avoid when you're reading. So this is called subvocalization. You need to stop this subvocalization in order to read faster. For an example, if you see a board of sign which has mentioned stop or a spoon and a fork, you understand that what it is meant for. You don't need to read it to yourself. Now this is something which you need to apply while you're reading a book. You need to stop reading it to yourself and instead of that, take the bigger words and understand what the line is trying to say. For example, Statue of Liberty. Now you don't need to read the entire thing to understand what it is trying to say, but just by seeing the words you can understand. So this is what you need to stop. If once you stop subvocalization, stop reading to yourself, you can increase your reading speed, and you can even do it by having something in your mouth, or we can say by eating or by chewing gums or something like that can help you in speed reading. Second thing you can do is you can consciously read faster. That is, have a time frame that certain time you have started and then read consciously read faster, and that you can do by avoiding the fillers. Fillers are words like is, are, and the words that complete your sentence, and you can just avoid them so that that will increase your speed. Now, because the point here is we are not reading for words, we are reading for the bigger picture which the author is trying to convey through these words. So in that case, you can avoid the fillers and go for the bigger words and understand what the sentence is trying to say. The thing which I do most is I keep either a pen or a marker or a pencil in my hand all the time I'm reading. That is the habit I've developed since I was in school or college, I can say. Now this actually helps you when you trace the line. Beneath the line you keep the pencil and you read in that way. So your eyes are not actually going from one word to another word. They are not jumping, they are going in a linear way. This will actually affect when you try it and you keep that pencil beneath that line and keep following it, so that your eyes keep following the pencil, and in that way you can actually increase your speed of reading. Now, this trick is meant for non-fictional books. So if you see a book of non-fictional which is of actually 300 pages, you can understand that author must have only written 150 pages or so. But when a publisher is about to publish, they ask them to add more lessons so that the book becomes of 300 pages. Now what you can do here is, if you are trying to read a particular topic in that book, you can see the author becomes repetitive after a certain time. They keep telling you a story in one or the other way. So by us giving you a certain example of finance, they will add 10 different stories to it so that it gives you different perspective in the book. Now what you can do here is, once you understand what the author is trying to say, you can leave rest of the topic unread and you can move ahead because you have understood what the author is trying to convey. I generally don't do that because if you are into a book and if you can read fast, it's completely fine to go through all the stories that author have written, and it takes some efforts for author to write. So it's completely up to you. If you feel like it's fine to skip and move ahead, you can do it, and if you wish to read, you can go ahead, and if you feel that you've understood and you can move on, it's good to move on. The fifth tip is, when you're about to start a book, start with reading the content of the book, about the synopsis which has been given on the back side of the book. Now this will help you in forming a picture what the author is about to tell you in this book. Now this will help you in speed reading. Now that's it from my side. You share your experience in the comment section below and stay connected for more. Thank you.